What is unique about the idea is the approach. It is not about the product or how it is made. It is about the approach we have adopted to meet the pressing need of these farmers in their rural communities. This is because of their inability to afford and access the inorganic fertilizer. Our approach in solving this problem is by helping these farmers make the right choice, by redirecting them to instill the right ideas that will enhance a more efficient, sustainable, and a more environmentally friendly fertilizer. Based on the feedback received during the testing in phase 2, the farmers had a very impressive yield. As such, our desire is to reach more communities to enable them benefit from this idea because of its wide range of benefits. The mentoring section was very helpful, hence I was able to have a better understanding of the project, working with the actors map, value proposition canvas, and business map. I've been able to do a feasibility study of the project desirability, viability, and its ability of self-sustenance. I would like to include first aid training to enable these farmers help themselves in case they get injured in the farm. I would like to teach them how to use a locally available materials within their reach to save their lives. The success of this idea and measuring its outcome would be to see more farmers using these organic fertilizers and seeing more farmers having increase in yield. Furthermore, my team and I will conduct a periodic monitoring visit to farms where our product has been used and also seek feedback from community leaders and farmers. The resources required are training and sensitization materials, initial support materials for farmers such as shovel, rain boots, trampoline, face masks, hand gloves. Our key partners are the Red Cross, the community leaders, the Nasarawa State University Faculty of Agriculture, Department of Agronomy, the Nasarawa State Ministry of Agriculture. The next step is to scale up to reach more farmers. We will work with our actors to make it sustainable by leveraging on existing farmers association, by training all selected farmers and their leaders to enable these leaders step down the training to other farmers that have not been trained. We will provide training manuals that will be included in their meeting agendas. These manuals will include the best practices on how to make and apply organic fertilizer. The support materials that will be given to the farmers will be kept in the association office to enhance proper monitoring. There is growing food insecurity in Nigeria, and the NS seeks to address this through the Hunger Crisis Project. My project will link perfectly with this project as it also seeks to improve the crop yield of these farmers, improve their livelihood, and ultimately put an end to food insecurity in Nigeria. In view of the predicted challenges in food security, I foresee a high demand in food supply. Therefore, my idea of training these farmers on how to make organic fertilizers is something I'm passionate about, and I dedicated my time to see it actualize. Being guided by the NS operational guidelines as it relates to her intervention program in food security. Thank you.